As a road user, you're probably well aware of the importance of insurance from the top auto insurance companies in the United States. The auto insurance industry is an extremely competitive market, with a wide range of products to choose from. Before spending money on car insurance, drivers should decide what type of coverage they need. There are many types of insurance policies for different types of drivers. The following are the main types of coverage available. Liability coverage. In most states, liability coverage is mandatory. You could be fined and not allowed to drive if you don't have this insurance. The cost of fixing another car and treating bodily injuries to anyone involved in an incident is covered by liability coverage. You have to have some liability coverage before you can legally drive. Any legal costs that may come from an accident are also covered. Collision coverage. This coverage pays for damage to your car if it's involved in a collision. This applies if a driver gets hit by another vehicle or hits another car. Comprehensive coverage. This insurance pays for damages to your car and other cars involved in accidents other than collisions. These types of incidences include natural disasters, fire, theft and vandalism. Medical coverage. In some car accidents, people get injured or unfortunately even die. Medical or funeral costs for drivers and passengers are covered when people are involved in a serious car accident. Personal injury coverage. This type of coverage is very similar to medical coverage. However, in addition to paying medical expenses, injured drivers also get paid a certain percentage of the income they lose while they're injured and unable to work. Care required by an injured driver is also covered. Underinsured or uninsured coverage. Some drivers are underinsured, and even worse, some are not insured at all. This is a disaster for anyone with insurance who has an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver, because you may not be able to cover your costs after an accident. Fortunately, you and your family are covered if you have uninsured or underinsured coverage. You are insured against an incident with these drivers and your insurance company will pay your insurance bill, even if the other party has no insurance or has not enough insurance to pay your costs. Towing and labor coverage. This coverage pays for towing and labor costs when your car breaks down. Not all drivers will opt for this type of insurance, but it is useful to have if you can afford to pay a little extra for your premium. Rental reimbursement. You may need a replacement car for different reasons. Your replacement car will be paid for until you get your own car back, if you choose this type of insurance. Before you decide to buy auto insurance, you have to decide how much you're willing to spend and what coverage you really need. Liability cover is mandatory, but other insurance is optional. The coverage you choose really depends on your needs and what you believe you really require. Top auto insurance companies like Progressive, Nationwide, Geico, Allstate and others continue to compete with each other, and the range of insurance options available also expands to suit a wide range of customer requirements. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.